Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn about a new keyword, with. And just to show you just a little bit about the data structure. Alright, let me double check and make sure this is in frame. Alright, cool. Context manager. So alright, you use with along with open. And what it does is I didn't want to get in the habit of showing you to make sure you close the file like we did with the Raven. So we did this, we did the read lines, but right now, remember, oops, file.closed. It's false. Well, the with keyword, what that does is it ensures that you don't even have to worry about it. It turns it into a context manager. It does all this in the background for you. It opens it, it closes it, and when you get done with that block, and you'll see why I use the word block, it takes care of it. So I left out, this wasn't best practice, I left out close, kind of for a reason, because I didn't want you to really learn it, because I'm going to show you a better way to do it. So let's jump into it. Alright, and again, that's a context manager. So okay, this is best practice, so let's comment this out so we don't see it, and just come up here. So alright, and we do with open.raven.text and as file, then print file.read, and then close this out. So let's, I went the wrong way, there we go. So you can see this, run this, so there's that, and then now let's test file, and it's closed. So it did it for us. So this block right here, it does all that for you. You don't have to think about it. It wraps this up nice and neat with a context manager. So that is that. It is super handy, and I just wanted you to know about it. So a quick video about with. We haven't touched it, and I wanted to make sure you knew all about it. So that is that. And next video, we are going to use a different method with inside open, because I'm going to show you the difference between regular writing and appending. So make sure you are subscribed, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you guys missing out on anything. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, and please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests below. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.